Old Dominion University's Motorsports Club is in full swing on campus, and members will be competing this spring with a brand new car and remodeling an old one. 10 on your side photojournalist Cortez Grayson has the story.
While it's chill in the air,
maybe we should hit up the rec, go shoot some hoops.
Means a quiet quad. This garage is anything but silent.
There's a lot of oil underneath this motor.
During the school year, pretty much all of us are just in here every day.
It's part of the engineering department.
That's our center of gravity point.
Where bright ideas come to life.
There you go.
I've always kind of enjoyed the passion of building cars and seeing how they work.
Everything has to be half-inch.
This club kind of helped build that passion that I enjoy.
Members of the Motorsports Club are working tirelessly on their two-car designs, checking every nut and bolt.
You got one more, right? Within the ODU Motorsports Club, we do have two sides. We have the Formula and the Baja cars. The Formula cars are the F1 style cars, and the Baja is the trophy style, the mini trophy style cars that run across off-road tracks. The Formula cars run in a circle track.
In previous competitions, the teams have done well. During the COVID-19 pandemic, they struggled.
Last year, we did not do very well at competition. One of our shortcomings was our brakes. So that's one needed improvement that we're going to be making this year.
We have all kinds of things break. But that's kind of part of the deal with building these cars. We build them, and of course we have to maintain them.
But this year, the club is excited to represent ODU and showcase its motor cars at two different competitions, both hosted by the Society of Automotive Engineers.
We have a couple different competitions. The entire competition is the Formula SAE. Our competition is in Michigan.
Moving forward, the Old Dominion Motorsports Club wants to attract new members and to keep the program running.
The more people that we can get into the club, the better.
The future of this club looks good.
We'll look at the things that have happened prior and learn from them and just basically do better at competition.
So if you hear this, around ODU's campus, it's the Motorsports Club inching closer to the finish line. In Norfolk, Cortez Grayson, 10 on your side.